Welcome to At Home with Anita Rosner. I just finished reading Julia Child's memoir, My Life in France, and you don't have to be a foodie to thoroughly enjoy this book. If you are a foodie, however, you'll go bonkers. Anyway, interestingly, Julia Child had originally wanted to be a writer, but when her husband, who was in foreign service, was stationed in France, that all changed with one simple dish that she tasted called sole Meunière. Fortunately for all of us, she did have that meal, and it just changed everything for her. She fell in love with French cuisine, and the rest, as we know, is history. So today we are making sole Meunière. We're not using sole. I went to the supermarket. Sole was $34 a pound. But they had bassa, which was $3.99 a pound. So I got a nice piece of bassa for $2.09. And that's what we're using. You can use any flat white fish for this recipe. And it's so simple. It's flour, butter, lemon juice, and parsley. That's it. So I'm just lightly coating both sides of the bassa with flour. We're going to move over to the stove, and over medium heat, I'm going to melt half a stick of butter. Yeah. This is not only a simple dish, it's also a pretty quick dish. You can see that the butter is starting to foam and crackle. What we're creating here is a brown butter. Let's lay in our filet. You can baste it a little bit with the butter. It's hard to see against the dark pan, but the butter is browning in there. And we're just cooking this for 3 to 4 minutes on each side. All right, this is ready to turn. And remember our little safety tip, when we're using hot oil, we turn the food away so that we don't get splattered. Ooh, look at that. Gorgeous. We'll get a pan ready. Just transfer this over. And now we're just adding the juice of half a lemon. Add some parsley. And then we just pour it over the fish. Garnish with some lemon. And there it is. Your fish Meunière. Mmm. So delicious and so simple. 4 ingredients: flour, butter, lemon, and parsley. That's it. If you like this recipe and you like this video, give me a thumbs up. I hope you'll become a subscriber, and I want to thank you for watching. I'll see you next time here at Home with Anita Rosner.